The challenges of machining are hard enough. In order to stay competitive, you must get more done in less time. With ChipBLASTER's new Cyclonic filtration, you can run twice as long with half the tooling costs by eliminating damage-causing particles from your coolant. Sure, conventional methods filter down to 5 or 10 microns, but let's face it, they're only 70% efficient. Why settle for that when our Cyclone has tested up to 100% efficient at 10 microns, 95 at 5, with significant improvement in filtration even down to 2 microns. Why is this important? Because mass matters. It comes down to simple physics. Just like sandpaper, the larger the particles, the more abrasive they are, the more damage they cause. You see, a 10 micron particle has 1,000 times the mass of a 1 micron particle. That's 1,000 times more damaging to your machine tool, the rotary unions, the spindles, the cutting tools, and even the pumps. Do you want to run twice as long with half the tooling costs? As you can see, the Cyclone is separating particulate, and the constant discharge assures it will never clog. And as I mentioned before, it can get down to 2 micron filtration, without stripping the coolant, I might add. Where else can you get this kind of filtration? Obviously, this isn't just an aftermarket Cyclone thrown on a high-pressure coolant system. Anybody could do that. We manufacture our Cyclone right here in Meadville, Pennsylvania in our own machine shop. Our research and development team has examined all facets of our Cyclonic design, from the internal finishes to the external fittings. Everything has been optimized for filtration, resulting in tremendous, and I mean tremendous efficiency. Do you want to run twice as long with half the tooling costs? Our filtration rates are real and have been independently verified. These aren't just some assumed rates like you may get from the other guys. ChipBLASTER believes so much in our Cyclonic technology that we have invested in state-of-the-art equipment to analyze filtration rates so that we can test your coolant at no charge. Just ask us for your free test kit. Currently, we have customers reaping the benefits of extended tool life by utilizing our new Cyclonic technology. Do you want to run twice as long with half the tooling costs? Of course you do. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call today.